Hi friends, this is Najam with you. Sometime you are visiting a website and you need to take the screenshot of this entire page in just one image. So as you can see, for example, this page is quite long, and if you want to take a screenshot of this entire page, or for example, I'm visiting this gulfnews.com, and again, this is quite a long page that requires many scroll, and I want to take a screenshot of this entire page into just one single image. So what we need to do, if you are using Google Chrome, there's an extension available. There's a Chrome extension available called Full Page Screen Capture. There's a link available here that you can notice, and I also have copied the same link in the description of this video below. So just click that link and it will take you to this page. What you need to do, this is just one-time job, is to add this extension into your Chrome as a Chrome extension. So once you will add it, it will ask you, just click add extension. And you will notice that a new extension has been added here called Full Page Screen Capture. Now what you need to do, for example, I go back to the same page. Let's see, again, it's quite long page and I want to take the screenshot of this entire page. So what I will do, I just need to click on this extension icon like Full Page Screen Capture. Just click once. What you can notice, it is capturing this entire long screen, and then you will be able to export it into a PDF document or just one image, one single image. You can see now the entire very long page has been exported into one single image, like a long infographic. So what you can do, there's an icon to download the image. You just click download image and allow this, and now you can see the image has been downloaded, or you can also download it into a PDF format. So now you can see I have one single image available here that I can save, and even I can forward to anybody. Also, the same page has been converted into a PDF document as well. So hope this extension is quite helpful for you, and whenever you need it, you can just use it. Thank you very much, and feel free to ask me any question if you have something in mind. Bye for now.